A solve question, which means you can't get rid of the bottom. You can only get rid of the bottoms when it's a solve question. So imagine I said x over 7 equals 3 over 7. What would you all tell me x is? The 7s are the same, so x has to be 3. So in a solve question, you're allowed to get rid of the bottoms. But when it's not a solve question, when it's an express question or a simplified question, you cannot get rid of the bottoms. It'd be like saying, imagine my answer was 2/3. And I go, oh, 2/3 is the same as 2. It's not. You can't cross the bottom unless it's a solved question. So what I want you guys to do is what we've been doing all along. Do you remember I said the bottom numbers are like children and you want what the other one has? So what number will 3 and 2 divide into? 6. Turn them into 6s. Multiply the bottom by 2 and the top by 2. Multiply the bottom by 3 and the top by 3, and off you go. Should be all over 6 when you're doing it, okay? Give it a go. Now, anyways, who got 2 plus, then we get 2 plus 6x. And then we get 3x minus 15. Now, what we're going to do is on top, we're going to add the x's together. See the 3x and the 6x? Two of them have to add together. And then you're going to add the 2 and the minus 15. So what do we get in total then? Yeah. Minus 13 all over. Okay, we cool with that? Okay. Even just getting the common denominator and attempting it is worth something. Now, they do a new thing now, right? Now they ask you part 2. Is there any similarities between part 2 and part 1? Do you see any similarities? Or would you start it from scratch? What do you think this part is? I'll tell you what, alright? Because in the exam it's not worded like this, what we'll do is we'll just start it from scratch again. Is that okay? So we're going to pretty much do the same thing. What's the lowest common denominator between 3, 2 and 3? What are you going to do? You're going to multiply this one by 2, same as last time, right? You're going to multiply this one by, same as last time. And what are you going to multiply the other side by? And this time you're allowed to get rid of the bottoms. Why? Because it's a... Exactly, go on off you go on. 2 by 1. 2 by 3x. 2 times 3. 6. 3 times x. 3 times minus 5. 3 times 2. Okay. 25 times 2. 50, is that right? And 6, yeah, I did right. Now, are you happy with the 6s? Now, what we're going to do is we're only going to concentrate on the top now. See the green part? Because the bottom parts are the same. So we don't need to worry about them. Okay, so what happens when we add them together? What's 3x plus 6x? What's 2 take away 15? Minus 13, yeah? Now you're at this stage. So you're going to get 9x equals, add the 13 to the 50, you get 63. Divide 63 by 9, 7.